Hi guys, in today's video we're gonna share with you a drone footage of our holidays in the Seychelles. The history of Seychelles is a rich and captivating story that reflects centuries of exploration, colonization, and cultural fusion. For much of history, these remote islands remained uninhabited, known only to passing sailors and traders navigating in the Indian Ocean. The first recorded European sighting came in 1502 when Portuguese explorer Vasco da Gama sailed through the region, though no settlement was established at that time. It was not until 1770 that the French made the first permanent settlement, bringing with them enslaved Africans, European settlers, and laying the foundation of plantation life, which would deeply influence the island's social and cultural structure. The islands were named after Jean Moreau de Seychelles, a French finance minister, highlighting the strong French legacy is still evident today in the Creole language and place names. Following the Treaty of Paris, Seychelles was ceded to the British, making the beginning of a new colonial era, during which slavery was abolished in 1845, leading to major social changes as freed slaves formed communities and contributed to the development of a distinct Creole identity. Throughout the 19th and early 20th centuries, the islands remained a relatively quiet colonial outpost with agriculture, particularly coconut and spice production, playing a key role in the economy. In the modern era, Seychelles moved toward self-governance, eventually gaining independence from the United Kingdom in 1976 and becoming a republic in 1977 after a political shift that shaped its early years as a nation. Today, Seychelles stands as a peaceful, independent country known for its stability, diverse cultural roots, and unique blend of African, European, and Asian influences, all of which are reflected in its traditions, cuisine, and way of life, making its history as vibrant and layered as its breathtaking landscape.
Thank you for watching, guys. If you like our video, please put a thumb up to let us know we're doing well. You can also share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Feel free to follow us on Facebook MNY Adventures for more photos. We're also on TikTok sharing our adventures. Thank you for your support. Stay tuned for our next video. Thank you. Bye.